Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Outdoors Nation TV. Today we're going to be bedlining this boat right here. So what originally happened was we got a little bit of a crack in the inside of it, and we were wondering like why it was leaking and all that. So we put some fiberglass on and it rained overnight and it kind of got bubbly, so we're going to put a whole layer of bed liner over the top of it. And yeah, so let's take a look at what we can do to this thing.
Okay, put a mark on 6, Chacharoo. Okay. Put a mark on 6, Chacharoo.
Okay.
Okay, just put your end, glue it down. You can go all the way across, up, there you go. Yep.
Put it on.
Alright, yep. And then start, yep, put your end here and then flatten all the way across. Okay, boom, done. That's done.
So now we put the tape on, now we just gotta get the bed liner out and measure across. Kind of stuff we got here. We got the truck bed coating, but we're just putting it on the boat because, you know, same thing. Got our things, so this is pretty much all you need. Some brushes and some bed liner. And then you see some tape. Look at that stuff. It's kind of juicy.
Your knob.
Oh.
Is this blue or something gay?
Maybe it's just blue because it's wet.
I don't like that. Is it blue or black? I can't tell.
Did you
I picked up the wrong stuff. I'm gonna freak out because I opened it.
I mean, it says black right there.
Okay, it must be like the sky reflection on that. I don't know. Get it right in your camera lens.
Awesome.
How mad would you be?
Oh my. I'd be like, what the heck?
No, you wouldn't. You wouldn't.
It does look blue. Or maybe it's looking more black as you mix it around. Or it looks like a navy blue. Does it look satisfying?
No, I hate messing with this stupid stuff. Well, let's see how this turns out. Oh.
Here we go. Moment of truth right here. Should work.
Oh, I'll get that greasy. Okay, well, you know, get the tip all good and all.
Step 1, get the tip all good.
Yep, you're good. Just going like that. Yep, faster.
Does it dry quick?
No.
Takes a while to dry.
Yeah, but you see what you want that here you go, your texture.
Like kind of like on my truck, the guy kind of
you want
dabbed
that
it.
texture.
More of like the rugged, rigid.
Yep.
And then in this area where that crack is, we're gonna have to really grease it up. Oh, so don't like it. Really fine. How much was this stuff? 50. Oh.
Okay, so we got the bed liner all put on the boat. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry for like 12 hours. And then we'll peel it off and see how it works out.